JD Cap 26 here. It is tips and repairs, and we took the power switch off here, and this is one of the leads that goes to it. All right, and here's the other lead that goes to it, and it snaps in right here. Okay, so I'm going to replace the power switch. It looks like this right here. Okay, and also I'm going to try to find this part here. This is the pressure switch, because what the unit's doing is going on and off, on and off, and we set the regulator, and it's still going on and off. We set it correctly. It's supposed to go off at 43 psi and stop, and it shouldn't be doing that. It goes on and off constantly. So we're going to try to find this part. Hopefully we can find it. Call where we got the unit. We got it from Harbor Freight, so hopefully they'll be good to us and give us the part. This part, the switch is coming in Saturday. So that's what's going on. This video will continue when the parts come in. So we called Harbor Freight, and we couldn't get that part at all. They don't stock parts for the compressor, so you're out of luck if you're looking for this part right here, which is this pressure switch. Only place you can get it is China, Malaysia, and United Kingdom, and I don't think I'd want to order from China and Malaysia right now in the current conditions. So we're still waiting on the switch. We're going to be putting in pretty soon, and we'll see how it works after that. So we got the part, and we're putting it back on, and this lead goes to the back of the switch. That's the black lead, and we're going to put the yellow one there and then drop it down, click it in to the body, and then we got to cover those, and we got some screws here. Get them out, put the cover back on. And nice little screwdriver here. Screw this in. Put the other ones in. I don't know if it's going to solve the problem. Still could be the switch. I did put some anitropic sealer on the what do you call it over here? The regulator, and that's a lot better than the tape, because it could be leaking from the regulator itself. So it's on there. We got it all plugged in, and let's turn it on. See how it goes on and off? It's been doing it all along. Okay. It's really this switch right here. This is the pressure sensor for the head, and that's why it's going on and off like this. So we're just going to buy a new air compressor, because I can't live with that. That's the end of this video. What you have to do is you got to locate this switch from the company you buy here. What do you call it from here? Compressor here. This was from Harbor Freight, and I wrote them to see if they get parts, but I don't think I won't get a part from them. We'll see. They haven't answered my email yet, so can't wait for that, because I still want to make models and continue. So I'll put this to the side for future repair parts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please rate and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and tell your friends, and have a great day. Bye for now.